welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great, and let's get right into today's video. So guys, before I start doing my nails, I am going to put on my MelodySusie gloves, and these are UV LED protective gloves just for my hands because, like I always say, I'm always doing my nails constantly and always using my LED lamp, and I just want to protect my hands. So for this set, guys, I am going to be doing some easy fall nail designs. So stay tuned to see what it is. For this set, I am going to be using my AliExpress full cover nail tips in I believe this is a medium size square nails. Might be short, but I think this is medium. They look short to me because I'm used to long nails, but I've already sized them, and I am going to be doing both of my hands. So to start off, I'm just going to file the free edge first and the cuticle area to make sure that it's nice and round and that it fits my natural nail bed. And then I'm going to go in and use my Beetles nail glue. This is also used for the extension glue, so I'm going to use that, put it inside the well, and then place the nail tip at a 45-degree angle, and then place it in my UV lamp and cure that for 30 seconds. And I'm going to do that for the rest of the nails. Now here are the nail tips, and they do have a nice little apex, not too much, but it's not as flat as like regular press-ons. So now I'm just gonna go in and just refile the free edge, make sure it's nice and straight, and taper in the sides a bit to get that tapered square look. Going in with my diamond bits and just going around that cuticle area, making sure that it's nice and flush to the natural nail, and also sealing that cuticle area to make sure that there is no lifting. And now I'm going to go in with my buffer just to make sure the surface is smooth and there's no lumps or bumps. But buffing the nail will also make sure that there's a little bit of rigidness just so that the gel polish can stick in on top of the nails. Because gel polish needs some type of roughness to stick, that is why you do the buffing at the end. Now I'm going in with my base coat, and sometimes you don't need a base coat, but I just decided to go in my base coat to see if it makes a difference or not when it comes to gel polish. So I'm going to go in with my Nail Reserve base coat all the nails for 60 seconds, and then come back and do my design. Now I decided to use Sea Swing and Sun for my base coat. Now this is a sheer polish, which I like because I didn't want something dark. I did want it sheer, so, but I am going to do 2 coats just so that you can see the color of it. It's a nice tannish color, it goes very well with my skin tone, so that's why I also like it. Gives it that natural look. So I do 2 coats of this for 60 seconds for each coat. Now look how beautiful that base coat looked. Doesn't that look so gorgeous? Definitely one of my favorite colors. So now I'm going to go in with Dark and Classy, then Caramel. And I'm going to put all these colors on my palette just so it can make it easier for me to use them. My Velvet Sunset color, and my Do Me a Favor nice pink color. And these are such beautiful fall colors. I am really in love with them. I think I picked a good choice of colors. So I decided that I was going to do just some like different, it's like French but not really. It's like a different design that I've seen on Instagram and TikTok, and I decided, well, why not? So it's more of like, I don't know how to explain it, but I basically just go from one side. So with the Dark Classy, on my pinky, I went on the left side, no, sorry, the right side with the Dark and Classy, and then for the ring finger, I went on the left side. So I did the opposite sides for the pinky and the ring finger, and I just made like a curve. You know, it's not like a V-French, but it's kind of similar, just not straight lines, if you understand what I mean by that. So I did these 2 fingers, cured it for 30 seconds, and then went in with Caramel, and then did the other side. Oh no, I'm sorry, Do Me a Favor. I went in with Do Me a Favor and did the other side. So if you know what I mean, this is like a French, like a V-French, but really not, because like I said, it's not straight lines that the V-French gives you. It's more curved. So I thought this was like different and a cute design to do. So I do Me a Favor on the pinky and the ring finger. And then I basically do the same design for the middle and the ring finger. I'm sorry, the middle and the pointer finger, but I do it with Caramel and Velvet Sunset. So I'll let you guys watch the rest of the design. So once I was done with that, I decided let me use Mountain Walk and Evergreen, the nice beautiful blue color and the green color, which is also to me fall colors, or can be fall colors. Maybe not the blue, but definitely the green, because it's like a nice forest green color. So I decided let me like kind of make this pop or do it like a different design. So I decided to go in with Mountain Walk and just go over that dark and classy red. Just make a line over that outline, if you can see what I'm doing. So I just outlined that, and then I did the same thing with the Velvet Sunset on my middle finger, and I did it with the same thing on my thumb. And then for the other, and then I decided, okay, for the ring finger and the pointer finger that I was going to use Evergreen. And that's what I did. I used Evergreen for those two fingers and then made it pop with some gold. So now these are all the beautiful colors that I used: caramel, velvet sunset, do me a favor, mountain walk, evergreen, dark and classy, sea swing and sun, and along with their base coat and top coat. So definitely recommend these colors. Definitely one of my favorite brands. Really high pigmented. Definitely love them. Look how beautiful these nails came out. I think these are super, super cute. A nice simple design, fall design. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I will see you guys next time.